Here is an immunity boosting drink that is kid approved. This recipe has been tested in our household and our kids love this juice and they drink it with no problem. 5 apples. I know y'all have heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? That's because apples provide better gut health, reduce stroke, high blood pressure, heart disease, and some cancers. So adding this to the juice is also going to add antioxidants and a small amount of vitamin C. "10 Clementine oranges. Clementines contain high levels of antioxidants, which play a huge role in reducing inflammation. They also help with eye health. Adding this to the juice is going to add vitamin C, B6, calcium, and magnesium. "2 pineapples. Pineapples have a crazy amount of benefits. I know most people only know them as a tropical treat, but this thing packs a lot of nutrients. Pineapples contain a whole bunch of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that collectively boost immunity. There was a study done with children that they did for 9 weeks, right? They fed 98 healthy children either no pineapple, some pineapple, or lots of pineapple daily to see if it boosted their immunity. The children who ate the pineapples had a significantly lower risk of both viral and bacterial infections. "5 cucumbers. So cucumbers are low in calories and high in vitamins. 1 cucumber provides 65% of the vitamin K that you need daily. It also has a good amount of vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. They also have antioxidants that help you fight off viruses. "1 ginger root. Ginger has long been used since ancient times, and I know a lot of people know about ginger. This has a history of being used to calming an upset stomach. At the same time, ginger is also known to fight off flu virus and common cold symptoms. It's also powerful as an anti-inflammatory. Kale. Kale has long been talked about as a superfood. It got vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and B vitamins. It even has omega-3 in it. The nutrients in kale are said to help prevent cancer, lose weight, and boost your immunity. And there it is, a delicious immune boosting drink that your kids will enjoy. And of course you'll enjoy it too. This drink is packed with a lot of antioxidants and nutrients. We also put the juice in these little bottles to store in the refrigerator. So I'll put a link down to the juicer and the bottles in the description. Both links will be affiliate links, so if you do buy them, you would be supporting us as well. So we appreciate you tapping on this video. Don't forget to like and share with your friends, and I'll meet you in the next video. See you later.